is Dr. Omolo.
Uh-huh.
I am a physician currently based in Nairobi West Hospital.
Wonderful.
Yes.
Have you attended Africa STEMI Live before?
Of course, I've attended.
Good. Do you mind telling your fellow physicians of what benefit it is to attend Africa STEMI and why they should plan to attend this year?
I would highly recommend any physician, actually any healthcare provider, to attend the Africa STEMI because there are lots of benefits.
Right.
One of the one that came out very strongly was, the confidence that I developed in picking up, patients with acute coronary syndrome and patients with heart attacks. Before that, after learning it in medical school, seeing it practically and being able to pick that up after the Africa STEMI has really improved my management in the patients. And not just that, even passing over that information to the interns that I deal with. So I would highly recommend any healthcare provider to attend STEMI and make it as, part of their armamentarium in taking care of patients.
Wonderful.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank
you have it, guys. Africa STEMI is happening from the 6th to 9th of May with hands-on skills for physicians and everyone involved in the management of heart attacks. See you there.
See you there. Thank you.
I'm Dr. Catherine Rasso. I practice in Kisumu at Jaramogi Teaching and Referral Hospital. A new level 6A hospital for years.
Congratulations. So tell me, have you attended STEMI before?
I've been attending STEMI for the last 2 years. Yes.
What can you tell a fellow physician from Kisumu about Africa STEMI?
Okay. For me, my experience, I started attending Africa STEMI as a resident. And I found it to be able, it made it easy for me to understand acute coronary syndromes in that heart attack because it appeared initially before Africa STEMI, I used to feel like it's a foreign concept. But after attending it, I felt like I could easily deal with the emergency situations and refer to a cardiology center, but stabilize my patient first. And the other thing I felt after attending it, because of the practical sessions that you gave us, was that at least I knew what to do in the initial phase.
It built your confidence. Wonderful. Thanks so much, Doc. So there you have it, guys. Africa STEMI is not just a cardiologist meeting. It's for that physician in Kisumu, Mombasa, Eldoret. Come learn hands-on practical skills that will enable you to stabilize your patient before referring them if you can't deal with them at the center.
Sure.
See you there.
See you.
You're coming this year, right?
Definitely.
Absolutely. Cool. See you.